account. This is just a regular Cash App account on your phone. Has to be done on the phone, I believe. I don't think they have a website. So after you make a Cash App account on your phone, download the app. What you're gonna do is you're gonna buy Bitcoin. So just for this tutorial, I'm just gonna, let's say, buy $5 of Bitcoin. Okay, I bought $5 in Bitcoin. After you do that, it'll say confirm. It'll charge you a little fee, but not nearly as what you can be charged. Like if you buy it directly on the exchange, you'll definitely be charged a lot more than what they charge you here on Cash App. I was charged 15 cents for that $5 transaction. But like I said, if you buy it directly on exchanges, you will be charged a heck of a lot more than that. So be careful. Okay, so after you purchase it, then you're gonna go to not sell, but you're gonna click this arrow, and then you're gonna hit, so that arrow is send. So you're sending it when you hit that arrow. So after you press send, then you're gonna go to your exchange, whichever one that is. Like I said, I'm gonna be showing you on Bybit today. So this is the Bybit exchange. Here's the home button after you have an account. I will actually leave a referral link down in the comment section below that you can use. That'll help support my channel to get you guys more education on crypto and get you more content out there. So after if you want to use Bybit, or there's other exchanges out there, like I said, this isn't a paid segment. I'm not getting paid by Bybit. But if you'd like to use my referral link, again, that's something you can do. And if you stay tuned till the end of the video, we'll have another video showing Bybit tutorial. Show you how to make orders and how to use Bybit exactly, in a tutorial with everything you need. So anyway, a little off topic, but after you go to Bybit or whatever exchange you go to your wallet. Okay, you're gonna hit deposit. After you hit deposit, this is very important. You want to make sure you press Bitcoin. You press Bitcoin because you are buying Bitcoin on Cash App. Don't hit the other ones. If you're buying and sending Bitcoin, it has to be Bitcoin to Bitcoin. Okay, so make sure you hit Bitcoin, and this is gonna come up. What you're gonna do is hit copy for your wallet address. After you copy it, that's for a deposit. So you're copying the code, the Bitcoin deposit code, on the exchange for the deposit section. So after you copy that, okay, you're gonna go back to Cash App, and you're on the send Bitcoin part. Okay, so I'm gonna send, say, and in my account I have 0.000.0012064. Let's see if it lets me send it without an error message. Send. Okay, right here it's gonna let me send. So where it says to, I'm just gonna hold it, press paste, and that's gonna paste the link from the Bybit account. You could just hit this external wallet address. So now the code from the Bybit deposit Bitcoin address is now in the to section. So right now I'm sending this amount of Bitcoin, which was $4.85, to the exchange using this Bitcoin address that was generated on the exchange. I copy and pasted it on Cash App. And then you would hit next, and it would say confirm, and then it would be sending it to the exchange. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to send this, but that's how you would do it. And then after you press confirm, it would send it to the Bybit exchange. Don't be afraid if it's not there, within the first 5 minutes. Sometimes it does take up to an hour or so. If it does take a little longer than that, don't be afraid. It's processing. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you stay tuned at the end, I'm gonna have links. I'm gonna have a Bybit tutorial for you guys, how to do trades and all that, how to show you how to use leverage. So yeah, please click the link at the end of the video to watch the other video. And please guys, like my video and subscribe to my channel so I can get you guys more content out there on anything about crypto. Yeah, I'm growing my channel. It's for you guys to get educated on crypto. So please guys, help support me. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.